Do you feel like you're in a burning room right now? Like there's no other way out. Like there's no doors. It's just burning and it's consuming me. And it might just take me out. I just want to let you know that I've been there more than one time in my life, which is why I now help other women find their way out of that scenario, because I've been there and done that more than once. And now Jesus has this call on my life to go and find those women who are there right now, who are being lied to, who don't realize that the enemy also has a plan for your life, and that he is here to set you free, but he's not going to bust down your door. And that how I can help you is just take your hand and kind of give you my courage to walk through the healing path, because there's something that has brought you here. Like you feel the weight of the world on you. And so as I'm getting ready to close registration for my retreat, it's called At the Well because my ministry started in 2016 at my dining room table with just a Bible study. And the ministry he gave me was Woman at the Well. And if you can read about her in John 4, that she was just broken and busted and she couldn't even be around people. She had to go in the middle of the day when it was really hot because people just pointed fingers at her. And man, but then Jesus came to the well. And I promise you, he is there waiting for you. Jesus healed every single person who came to him, but you got to take the first step. Courage isn't coming, sister. Courage isn't coming. So I want to charge you and lend my courage to you to click the button and get your spot at the retreat. Grab your spot. And today you can actually get a 10% discount with the coupon code that is in this email that you are reading right now. There's other women there that have been through what you're going through. And maybe it's you, maybe it's your story that they need. And there's divine alignments that need to be made that will never be made because fear has a grip on you. And there's phobos fear, which is a lie. And then there's the fear of God, the good, the yar, the good fear. And I'm going to be teaching a session on that to help you cross over